I've got Batman's car, tumbler I think they call it. Looks like a mouse made a meal out of this tire. There's a hole here and gnaw marks there. Fill it in with some 100% silicone caulk, which is it's 100% waterproof, and this is black in color. Hopefully it'll match the color of the tire pretty close. I'm actually going to fill up down inside. Try and get that as smooth as I can. That looks pretty good. Now, got a latex glove on. I'm going to dip my finger in some water to get it wet and try and smooth that out. We'll see how that goes. Trying to not move it too much, but move it enough to get that smoothed down. I might need to do is put a second coat on after this first coat dries. There's a little bit of a dent here. And it wants to stick to the glove, so it's not easy to smooth this out. I've let this dry for about 4 days. Let's see if I can clean this up. It's sticking up a bit. It actually hits right on here when the wheel spins around if it's pushed back. So let's see if I can trim this down a bit. Using a brand new sharp razor blade. doesn't want to stick real well to the tire. I think I'll peel that off. I got a little bit of a hole there. I'm going to trim up some more of that, see if I can't get that down a little bit further and get that smoothed out. I've got that trimmed down enough now it clears when it rolls. It's not real pretty, but it's better than a big hole in the tire. Be sure and check out my other videos.